What's up, guys? We are back doing teams for our 4-box mixer. It is a good one. We're live. Good luck. 4 times on the random. 939. Here's your list of names. Besser to Brandon and Anaheim to Winnipeg. Good luck. 1, 2, 3. Is it timestamp? Timestamp on 3. Is that 939? 939. Last and final random. We'll do it. Timestamp on 4 for teams, 939, and 939 it is. Vancouver to Washington. Vancouver to Washington, and then Winnipeg to Anaheim. There's your teams. Let's do the names. 939. Again, Besser, Brandon, everybody. Good luck. 1, 2, 3. Is it timestamp? Timestamp on 3. Is at 940. 940 it is, last and final. We got 940 and 940. Copy them over. Luke finished on top of the list, and Brennan at the halfway mark. Then Brandon to Joshua. All right, folks, here's your teams for tonight. We got Vancouver with Luke with Vancouver, Jay Philly, Daryl San Jose, Joshua Edmonton and Montreal, Solomon Chicago, Matt LA, Corey St. Louis, Luke Ottawa, Alex Buffalo, Jordan Boston, Besser Colorado, Ken Pittsburgh, Cody New Jersey, Brendan Washington, Brandon Winnipeg, Gary Florida, Pierre Paul Arizona, Chris Rangers, Terry Carolina, Bobby Detroit, Craig Calgary, Jay Nashville, Colin Minnesota, Jerome the Islanders, Billy Dallas, Craig Tampa Bay, Besser Toronto, Chris Columbus, Joshua Anaheim. Live for this one in 50 minutes. We'll see you then. Good luck.